Hey everyone, my name is Sydney and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a quick tutorial on some shortcuts that you can use on your keyboard in Outlook, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so now that we are back in Outlook, I've got a few keyboard shortcuts for you that can help make your experience a little bit easier. So the first one is going to be to open a message. Now obviously you could just double click on a message to open it up, but what we're going to do is actually click on the message that we want to open, and we're going to click Control O, and that is going to open our message right up for us. Now obviously we can just click reply, but if for some reason you don't have access to do that, all you're going to do is click Control R, and that is going to open up a new window there replying to Destiny. So, hey Des, and we'll send it on its way. Now, you can see that she originally sent it to myself and Austin. So in order to reply all we're going to do is click Control Shift R, and that is going to reply to both Destiny and Austin. Hey guys. And there we go. Now, if I wanted somebody else to be joined in on this email chain, all we're going to do is click Control F, and that is going to open up a new window so that I can forward it to anybody that I wanted to. For this video, I'm just going to forward it back to Des. And now a really cool function that there is a keyboard shortcut for that I definitely need a lot of the time is going to be for spell check in grammar. So we can reply, hey Des, checking out the spell check function. Now you can see that I obviously have spelled a couple words wrong because it has the normal little squiggly mark there. But what we can do is click F7, and that is going to open up all of your spelling mistakes here to show you, recommendations or how it should be spelled correctly. And you can go through and correct those words there, and we will send it now. Now, say I have a message here and I wanted to respond not with words, but with a meeting invite. All we're going to do is click Control Alt R, and that is going to open up a new window with a Microsoft Teams meeting. You can put all of your information there and whoever you wanted to be invited as well, and you can send it that way instead of going through your calendar. And now once we're back on our main inbox page here, there are a couple more shortcuts we can use. The main one is going to be to create a new message. So all you're going to do is click Control M, and that is going to open up a brand new window for you so you can start fresh with a new message. And the next one is going to be to open your calendar. So all you need to click to do that is going to be Control 2, and that is going to open up your calendar for you. You can click here if you have any more that you have access to as well to see, instead of having to navigate all the way to the side and clicking your calendar that way. Now the last shortcut I have for you is going to be for searching through Outlook. So in general, if you want to just search in your regular inbox, all you're going to do is press Alt Q, and that is going to open up the search bar here and search your current mailbox. Now you can also click Control Alt K, and that is going to search any folder that you're in, and then Control Alt A to search all of the folders as well. And then lastly, you have Control Alt Z, and that is going to search any subfolders within your folders in Outlook. All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed that quick tutorial on how to use those keyboard shortcuts in Outlook. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again next week.
Hey there! Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for all the latest videos from Capital Presence.